Now let's implement the list books by category feature. This is our task list in this section. First, we need to code the list by category method in the book DAO class, and then we create the view books by category service class, and we need to update the book services class accordingly, and then we code the list books by category page JSP to display the books that belong to a category. Let's review the class diagram. You see in the DAO layer, we need to update the book DAO class by adding a new method list by category that returns a collection of books based on category ID. And then we need to update the book service class by adding a new method list books by category. And in the controller layer, we need to create a new